There is nothing worse than turning your key to hear that dreaded clicking sound, leaving you stranded with a dead car battery. But before you shell out hundreds for a mechanic, you need the right multimeter to diagnose the real problem. And today we are counting down the absolute best. 7. FNIRSI LCR-P1. When I first got my hands on this little gadget, I was immediately impressed by the color display and the sleek, almost smartphone-like aesthetic. It is primarily marketed as a transistor and component tester, but it boasts a wide array of measurement capabilities that tempt DIYers into thinking it is an all-in-one garage solution. The interface is undeniably snappy, and navigating through the menus feels modern compared to the clunky dials of traditional multimeters. However, when I actually took the FNIRSI LCR-P1 out to the driveway to test a questionable car battery, the cracks in its automotive utility began to show almost immediately. This tool is heavily geared towards bench electronics and PCB work, meaning the included test leads and connection points are painfully delicate. I found myself struggling to get a secure, stable connection on a standard lead-acid battery terminal because the probes are simply not designed for heavy-duty automotive applications. Another glaring issue I encountered during my testing was the device's overall fragility in a true workshop environment. If you drop a standard multimeter on a concrete garage floor, you expect it to bounce and survive, but handling the FNIRSI made me feel like I was holding a delicate piece of glass. The lack of a rugged, rubberized outer housing means one accidental knock off the engine bay could render the beautiful screen completely useless. Furthermore, the voltage reading process, while technically accurate, lacks the immediacy and straightforwardness you want when diagnosing a cranking issue. When you are leaning over a hot engine, trying to read alternator output while a friend revs the motor, you need big, bold numbers and a simple interface, not a complex component tester menu. The LCR-P1 overcomplicates a process that should take 5 seconds. Number 6. vPro 850L. Right out of the box, the main appeal of this multimeter is the price tag, offering basic electrical testing capabilities for less than the cost of a fast food meal. I picked one up specifically to see if a rock-bottom budget tool could actually survive the practical demands of automotive diagnostics. It features a traditional rotary dial, a backlit LCD screen, and a tough-looking rubber sleeve that gives off the impression of a reliable workhorse. During my initial battery voltage tests, the vPro 850L did manage to give me a reading that was in the right ballpark, proving it can technically perform the bare minimum. The backlight is surprisingly bright, which I appreciated when I was working deep in the shadows of the engine bay late in the afternoon. It also includes a data hold button, a feature that is always welcome when you need to freeze a reading before pulling your head out from under the hood. But the honeymoon phase with this multimeter ended incredibly quickly once I started relying on it for precision and durability. The most frustrating drawback I experienced was the quality of the included test leads, which feel incredibly cheap, stiff, and prone to tangling. The metal tips on the probes are short and flimsy, making it surprisingly difficult to pierce through slight corrosion on older battery terminals to get a solid, reliable reading. Moreover, this is a manual ranging multimeter, which feels like a massive step backward when you are trying to diagnose a car quickly. Instead of just setting it to voltage and letting the internal computer do the work, you have to ensure you are on the exact right DC voltage scale before touching the battery. I found the rotary dial itself to feel loose and imprecise, sometimes clicking halfway between settings and resulting in a blank or error screen. 5. Klein Tools MM400. Klein Tools is a legendary name in the electrical industry, and holding the MM400 instantly inspires confidence. When I unboxed this unit, the heavy-duty double-molded exterior felt incredibly robust, clearly designed to survive being tossed into a toolbox or dropped from a ladder. For automotive use, this kind of rugged durability is exactly what you want when working around heavy car parts. Taking it out to test a parasitic draw on a classic car project, the MM400 performed exceptionally well. It is an auto-ranging multimeter, meaning you simply turn the dial to voltage and it automatically figures out the correct scale, saving you valuable time and mental energy. The display is crystal clear, and the response time when touching the battery terminals is impressively fast, giving you instant feedback without that annoying lag found in cheaper models. One of the standout features I loved during my testing was the incredibly high-quality test leads that come standard in the box. Unlike the stiff, plastic-feeling wires of budget models, these leads are flexible, well-insulated, and feature sharp, durable tips that easily bite into battery posts for a secure connection. The unit also includes an integrated probe holder on the back, which acts like a third hand when you're trying to balance the meter and test components simultaneously. Safety is another area where the MM400 shines, boasting a Cat3 600-volt safety rating, which means it is over-engineered for the 12-volt systems found in standard vehicles. It gave me total peace of mind knowing the internal fuses and circuitry are robust enough to handle accidental surges or miswiring. It also features a dedicated battery test function, which puts a small load on the battery to give you a more accurate representation of its health compared to a simple static voltage reading. 4. KAIWEETS Digital. From the moment I started using this device, I understood exactly why it has garnered such massive popularity. It strikes a brilliant balance between professional-level features and an incredibly user-friendly interface. The large, brightly lit display is an absolute joy to read, even in the glaring sun of a driveway or the pitch-black conditions of a late-night breakdown. When I tested this unit on an alternator that was acting up, the auto-ranging feature worked flawlessly, locking onto the voltage spikes instantly. One feature that completely won me over was the smart LED jacks on the bottom of the device. Depending on where you turn the dial, the corresponding ports light up to show you exactly where to plug in your test leads. This completely eliminates the guesswork and prevents you from accidentally blowing a fuse by plugging into the wrong port. The build quality is surprisingly premium for its price point, featuring a thick, protective silicone case that absorbs shocks easily. I accidentally knocked it off a fender during testing, and it hit the driveway without a single scratch or disruption to its functionality. It also includes a non-contact voltage testing feature, which, while more useful for house wiring, is a neat bonus safety feature to have in your arsenal. Another detail I greatly appreciated was the dual fuse design, adding an extra layer of protection for both the user and the multimeter's internal computer. The included leads are highly flexible and comfortable to grip, making precise testing on small automotive relays and fuses a breeze. Furthermore, the built-in kickstand is sturdy and holds the meter at the perfect viewing angle while you work with both hands. 3. Crenova MS8233D. When I set out to test the MS8233D, my goal was to see if it could deliver reliable, consistent results without overwhelming a beginner with unnecessary features. Right away, the compact, ergonomic design stood out. It fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around tight engine bays and cramped battery compartments. Testing a suspect battery with this unit was an absolute breeze thanks to its highly responsive auto-ranging capability. I simply turned the dial to DC voltage, touched the probes to the positive and negative terminals, and instantly got a stable, accurate reading. The LCD screen is large and features a brilliant blue backlight that stays on long enough to actually read the numbers without constantly having to press the button again. What makes the Crenova truly exceptional for automotive use is its built-in safety features, specifically the double insulation and internal PTC protection circuit. I intentionally tested it in a high-resistance scenario, and the meter handled it flawlessly without any risk of damage. The continuity tester is incredibly loud and responsive, which is a massive help when you are tracing a broken wire across the chassis and cannot keep your eyes on the screen. The included accessories also add massive value to the package. The test leads are of surprisingly high quality, offering good grip and sharp tips that easily make contact with slightly oxidized battery clamps. It even comes with alligator clip attachments, which are absolute lifesavers when you need to perform hands-free testing on a battery while turning the ignition key inside the cabin. Number 2. Fluke 117. Fluke is the gold standard of electrical testing, and getting to use the 117 in the garage is an absolute privilege. This isn't just a multimeter, it is a precision instrument. The moment you turn the dial, the tactical, satisfying click lets you know you are operating a piece of high-end industrial equipment designed to last a lifetime. I tested the Fluke 117 while diagnosing a highly complex electrical gremlin in a modern computer-heavy vehicle, and its performance was flawless. The true RMS technology ensures that the readings are dead-on accurate, even when dealing with the noisy electrical signals that modern car alternators and sensors can produce. The response time is instantaneous. There is zero waiting for the numbers to settle, which speeds up the diagnostic process tremendously. One of the most impressive features I utilized was the Auto V Low Z function. This setting prevents false readings caused by ghost voltage, ensuring that when you are testing a car's wiring harness, you are seeing the actual true voltage present. The white LED backlight is bright and incredibly crisp, while the ergonomic design makes the meter feel perfectly balanced in your hand, even while wearing heavy mechanic gloves. The test leads provided with the Fluke are the best in the business. Incredibly supple silicone that won't crack in cold weather, with sharp, durable probes that make perfect contact every single time. It is heavily armored against drops, spills, and the general abuse of a professional shop environment. You never have to second guess a reading with a Fluke. If this meter says your battery is at 12.4 volts, you can take that number to the bank. 1. AstroAI 2000. You might be wondering how a highly affordable tool beat out a premium giant like Fluke, and the answer comes down to pure, unmatched value for the exact job we are discussing. When I tested the AstroAI 2000, I was blown away by how perfectly it executes the core functions needed to diagnose a car battery without any unnecessary fluff. This multimeter is explicitly designed with the everyday driver in mind. During my testing, checking a battery's resting voltage, testing the alternator's charging output, and verifying ground connections were completely effortless. It is a manual ranging meter, but AstroAI has color-coded and clearly labeled the dial specifically for the 12-volt DC range you need for automotive work. This makes it virtually impossible for even a complete beginner to mess up the settings. The build quality vastly exceeds its humble price tag. It features a thick, robust rubber corner guard system that absorbs impacts beautifully. I accidentally knocked it off the roof of a car, and it survived perfectly intact. It also features a built-in kickstand that is incredibly stable, allowing you to prop it up on the intake manifold while you poke around the battery terminals with both hands. Furthermore, the AstroAI includes features that you typically only find on more expensive models. It has a surprisingly bright backlit LCD screen, a highly useful data hold button for capturing fleeting readings, and a very responsive continuity beeper for checking blown car fuses. The test leads are perfectly adequate for 12-volt work, providing a secure connection to the battery posts to give you an accurate, reliable diagnosis in seconds.